Good morning, children. Welcome back to PN Amasi e-learning classes. Let's start with the new chapter of moral science subject, chapter number 2, Amar Seva Sangam. So children, let's start with the chapter number 2, Amar Seva Sangam. Amar Seva Sangam was established by S. Ramakrishnan in 1981 to help the disabled and poor children. So here the Amar Seva Sangam, it was established. It was made by S. Ramakrishnan in the year 1981. Why it was made? What was the motto of this Amar Seva Sangam? To help the disabled and poor children. The mission of Amar Seva Sangam is to empower disabled citizens and integrated them into mainstream society. So children, here the mission of Amar Seva Sangam was to empower disabled citizens. What is the meaning of empower disabled citizens? To give them the power, to give them the license, and integrated them into mainstream society, unite them into today's society. The main mission of Amar Seva Sangam was to give the power to the disabled citizens and bring them together, unite them together into the mainstream society. So children, this was a small brief of Amar Seva Sangam. Now let's start with the chapter. Ramakrishnan had a dream since childhood. He always wanted to join the army. So Ramakrishnan, he had a dream. What was his dream in the childhood? He wanted to join the army. Today his dream was about to come true. He was very excited. He travelled all the way from a small town named Yerikudi in Tamil Nadu to attend the army entrance exam at Pune in Maharashtra. So children, today his dream was about to come true and he was very excited about this. He travelled all the way from a small village to Pune in Maharashtra to give the army entrance examination. He had already cleared the written test. Now he had been called for the physical endurance test. So now he was called for the physical test and he had already passed the written test. The test began on time. He completed a few feet successfully. For the next test, he had to jump from a 20-foot high platform to another. So children, here the test began on time and he completed the few feet successfully. Now the next round was to jump from the 20-foot high platform to another platform. Ramakrishnan jumped with all his might. So Ramakrishnan, he jumped with all his strength. But Ramakrishnan fell between the platforms. He lay there unconscious. Now what happened? When he jumped from 20-foot high platform to the another platform, he missed the jump and he fell on the ground and he lay there unconscious. When he woke up, he found himself in the army hospital. He was able to hear, see and speak, but he could not move any part of his body. So children, when he was admitted in the army hospital and when he woke up, he was able to hear, see and speak, but he could not move any part of his body. Why? Because he had been completely paralyzed. What happened to his body? He was completely paralyzed. So he was unable to move his body, but he can hear, see and speak. Ramakrishnan was filled with fear. Now Ramakrishnan, he was very sad and he was filled with fear. What will I do? How will I manage the rest of my life? Now the question arose in his mind that now what will I do? I am paralyzed, I can't move my body, and now how will I manage the rest of my life? Ramakrishnan asked the doctor attending to him. His name was Dr. Amar Singh. So Ramakrishnan, he questioned the doctor whose name was Dr. Amar Singh. He asked Doctor, what will I do? How will I manage the rest of my life? Have courage, Dr. Amar Singh replied. You will survive by serving others. So here Dr. Amar Singh encouraged Ramakrishnan by saying that have courage, you will survive by serving others. That fall had changed Ramakrishnan's life, and Dr. Amar Singh's words changed his heart. So the fall had changed Ramakrishnan's life. He fell down from 20 foot high, and that fall changed Ramakrishnan's life, and Dr. Amar Singh's encouraging words changed his heart. By the time he was discharged from the hospital, he had decided what he would do with his life. With courage and determination, Ramakrishnan managed to set up a center to help children with physical disabilities. So now Ramakrishnan, after discharge from the hospital, he decided that what he has to do. So with the courage and determination, what Ramakrishnan did, he managed to set up a center. He set up a center to help the children who were physical disabilities, who were with the physical disabilities. So with the courage and determination, he set up that center to help the poor children with the physical disabilities. Today, many physically disabled children from his own town and nearby areas come to the school run by Amar Seva Sangam. So he has set up the center and he has given that name Amar Seva Sangam. So today many physically disabled children from his own town and nearby areas also, they come in the school run by Amar Seva Sangam, which was established by Ramakrishnan. They get good education and various opportunities for work and play. So they get the good education over there and various opportunities for work and play. They also get medical attention and a chance to lead better lives. So they get the good medical attention and a chance to lead a better lives. Ramakrishnan missed a jump, but he took a giant leap towards serving people in need. So Ramakrishnan, he fell from the 20 foot high platform. So he missed the jump. He was jumping. The test was going on, and in the test he missed the jump. He fell down, but he took a giant leap. He jumped. He gave the giant jump towards the serving people. Indeed, he started serving people and he established the center, and the name was Amar Seva Sangam. So children, the key value of this chapter is humanism. Ramakrishnan, he showed his humanism, though he was paralyzed completely, but he set up the center for the physically disabled children, and in that he gave the children good education, medical attention and various opportunities for work and play. So children, I hope you all have understood the chapter. I will give you the PDF. You have to write it in your CW book. So children, we will meet in our next video with a new chapter. Till then, stay blessed and stay safe.